Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make slime, but you can make it in your own way because I want my slime to be a little bit tough. So if you don't have this, you can just make it the regular way. So the ingredients you're gonna need is lotion. I'm making glitter slime, so I'm gonna need glitter, a spoon, a little container, dish soap, not, and you're gonna need glue, you're gonna need toothpaste, and this is like a boardy something, so you're just gonna use it. And then now guys, I'm gonna just take a little tip of water, just about this size, and throw it a little tip in. Do you see it? If you don't see it, just sorry. And you don't need all of that, so then you're gonna put in this just if you're gonna use this stuff. And then the lotion, gonna have to use lotion. But guys, don't be like, I have lotion, but this is kind of finishing, so I just say, let me use this. And you're not gonna need a lot, so. I'm gonna take this and scoop it off my hands. Then take this little thing, scoop it inside. Oh, I'm just going for a little thing, a powder. Sorry, but you're gonna need powder too. I'm taking, oh, see? And then now, yeah, we're gonna use the dish soap. Put it at the sides. The opening parts that you have to, just block it up with it. Make sure that it's well thick. And then, gonna get the glue. It's no borax. Borax will poison some of us because you know that some of us love to put our ends in our mouth. So this glue just I'm not using a lot. Other people use lots of glue to make their slimes, but I don't. It's disgusting to me because sometimes the glue just itch up on your hands. So now gotta put in your toothpaste. And then the powder. And for the last thing, you're gonna need the glitter. I can't bother to go for my big glitter, so I just using a bit of the small glitter. Put as many glitter as you want, but I'm not using enough, and then you're gonna just stir it. My one is gonna make different from yours because I'm making this one with something inside of it. just to get the thing tough and in the right mode. Do you see it? It's trying to come up. So I'm just gonna keep stirring. Add some more powder. I just need a little more to make it even more thicker. You see, it's plastered all around. It's like getting its color and its stuff. Yes, last, I'm gonna use this because it's really good. It helps to build it up to get it strong. So that, so I'm gonna try it out. I never was gonna do it, but I'm just gonna try. If you don't want to use it, you can just don't use it. I'm just trying because you hear it all over the internet. Oh guys, and please subscribe because normally when I post my videos, nobody normally loves it because all I get is 5 views, 2 views, and those stuff, and I don't like it. I just wish sometime I could just step up. So please, can you like this? Please. I'm trying my best. You see? This is the one that I made. This is the pretty one. This is the one that I'm gonna want. Sorry. This is the one that I'm gonna put up. And then this now that's gonna be left, I'm gonna keep on stirring. Coming guys, I'm gonna get my This is my powder thing that I use. So it's more wider, so the powder would be able to go into it. I think I need a little more glitter because the glitter pretty up. Well, so guys, I'm gonna use a little more glue because I never expect that it would be like this. Okay. The little glue. Hey. I'm stirring it real hard so that this will work. Yeah, it's just peeling up. There it is. Turn it up. And then you're gonna put it in your fridge for a little while. Come in. For 15 minutes, okay guys. And it's in the freezer, not the bottom part of the fridge. One more thing before I put it in the freezer. Sorry guys. You're gonna just, if you have crumbles of ice, put it in there and stir it again to get it just soften up. And then when you do that, you just put it in the freezer. And then you would turn a little bit up. I have to go around my room because if I put it in my mom's fridge, she's gonna freak out, I'm telling you. But guys, I'm just gonna rinse off my shoes and be over to the back with you. Guys, 15 minutes up. If you think that I'm just gonna go away, I'm just gonna pause the video until 15 minutes is up, then I come back with you. So it's gonna be